Monday morning icy start for some of us, wet start for others. We're going to run everybody down right here. This is your 24-hour forecast called 1 degree outside today on the 1 degree outside weather network. And I'm meteorologist Matt Noyes. Freezing rain slowly changing to plain rain for many of us. You will check this video or watch this video at all different times of the morning. So just keep in mind our app will keep you on top of the current live conditions. Meanwhile, significant icing does occur for some. That leads to power outages. I'll highlight the area in a moment. Sharply colder wind going to be kicking up as we get to tonight, and that'll still be blowing tomorrow. Tomorrow's got a cold wind. In terms of that app, if you don't have it yet, it's 5 stars. It's totally free. It's waiting for you. Search the number 1 degree outside weather on the App Store and Google Play. In terms of the overview, though, for the radar forecast, well, by the time we get to midday, yes, the temperature has climbed even into central New England, but you see all the pink that's still on there? That's all freezing rain, so we still expect pockets of icing to continue into the course of the afternoon, while northern Maine sees accumulating snow that lasts deeper into the day. Central Maine makes a change to sleet and eventually some freezing rain. But notice by 5:30, not only are you done in western and central New England, you're ready to shut it down east as well. The drier air is good. You're going to have a few hours of a drying wind before, watch this, the temperature goes down to freezing from Boston to Providence by about 7:45. So areas where there are big puddles or lingering water that's out on the roadways will freeze. Most of the open spots will dry because of the wind. That wind continues to howl tonight. Upslope snow on the western slopes of the Green Mountains. The northwest-facing slopes of the Whites will continue for the overnight. But I would say the hardest hit area for ice during the course of the day today is going to be from central Vermont at Rutland Barre, running it across Lebanon, but especially when you get into the Northern Lakes region and the base of the White Mountains into western Maine. This is where some spots may get a half inch or a little bit more of ice, believe it or not. That's a ton. That's enough for outages in significant ones in some of these pockets. I don't know that everybody does that. It is going to be somewhat varied, but this is going to be your area that has the greatest impact. Of course, travel, too. You need to treat again and again and again because freezing rain tends to wash off the treatments that go down. In terms of accumulations on snow, again, mostly it's central in northern Maine. This is where we get between 1 and 3 inches of snow or so, and it is a wetter consistency than what we've become accustomed to in Maine. The rest of this area is mostly just the snow showers that will pop up here and there during the course of the night tonight, or that upslope snow in the mountains. Highs today reaching 50 in southern New England, but winter sports enthusiasts, you don't lose that much snow across the north. No, you end up with a lot of liquid that comes down, but again, it's going to be ice. The groomers have to break it up, but you never get that warm today in northern New England. Notice that's because the wind never really makes it up into central and northern New England. The cold air is too much in place. It gets gusty on the Cape and the islands for a while during the course of the midday to the afternoon. Then this evening, once the cold front comes by, we open up the door to a stronger wind, gusts of 40 to 50. And the problem here is, even if it's gusts of 35 to 40 in a lakes region, White Mountains, and then running back into central Vermont, that is going to be a lot of strain on power lines that will have ice on them already putting a load. So what that means is there'll probably be new outages that happen tonight as the wind starts to fire up, especially in that hardest hit icing area. And then overnight tonight, I'd expect low temperatures probably to get down to about 20 or so, teens across northern New England, but with the wind, it will feel like the single digits for the overnight. Just a reminder that we are running a special on our snow sports discussion and maps, snowsports.1degreeoutside.com. This would be a good time to take advantage of it. Little insider info. We've got a pretty fun giveaway that we're going to have coming up as we head into the month of January. All right, that's how it looks for now. Stay safe out there, obviously. Leave a lot of extra time in some of these areas. Check that app, and if you don't have to travel and it's below freezing, probably best not to. They're going to have to keep applying those treatments again and again on the roadways. We'll have an insights for you, that deeper dive into meteorology and the pattern predictions looking out to the next 2 weeks, coming up later today at 1 degree outside.